4 remedies for your snoring spouse. Snoring is a common experience for many people. Some may suffer from it on occasion, while others see it as an every night ordeal. Snoring is not beneficial to you or the person you sleep with each night. It causes restless sleep, offering mental fatigue the following day. There are many natural snoring remedies that can help you with your snoring problem. Changing your sleeping position can sometimes be all it takes to alleviate your snoring. Most people find that they snore the most when they sleep on their back. Being on your side is one of the most effective snoring remedies that have been proven to work. Once a person shifts from their back to one of their sides, the action of snoring is typically eliminated. Also, placing a body pillow along the back can help keep you in that side position so that snoring will not occur. Keeping your head elevated also is an effective snoring remedy. This will help to open the airwaves and make you breathe better. Blockages are what commonly cause snoring, so if you are able to eliminate blockages, you will be less noisy throughout the night. 2 to 3 pillows under your head at night can certainly help eliminate that problem. For some sufferers, it has also been helpful to elevate the head of the bed by placing blocks under the bedpost. Yoga is yet another beneficial method to help remedy your snoring. Reducing stress can also help to reduce the occurrence of snoring. Yoga and the poses, the positions that you do in yoga are effective in lowering the amount of anxiety that you experience. It can also help clear your mind and promote positive thoughts. Snoring remedies that focus on good breathing can really help fight the problem. One last method for snoring remedies involves the use of a vaporizer. This device adds moisture to the air, which can then be inhaled to break up congestion. This is a useful, natural remedy for those who suffer from snoring, but only do so when they have a cold or problems with allergies. Draping a towel over your head is helpful and keeps the steam directed towards your nose. You may want to inhale the steam just before you go to bed. Additionally, you can run a vaporizer in the evening before you go to bed to help make the air moist and help to break up the congestion after you fall asleep. Snoring can be a most difficult problem to live with, especially for those who experience the problem on a nightly basis. It can also be hard on your spouse, causing him or her not to get a proper night's sleep. For these reasons, it is important that you try several snoring remedies until you find one that works well for you.